Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another episode of Section 8 Real Estate Investing. Today we have a pretty cool topic. It's the Housing Choice Voucher Program. Now, commonly known as another Section 8 program. Now, there's a lot of different kinds of government subsidized housing programs, but this is my favorite. Let me tell you a little bit about what this is for you guys at home that are maybe thinking about getting into investing using the Housing Choice Voucher Program. So, what it is in certain areas where there is a lack of affordable housing, prospective tenants have to apply. They send in their income, they send in their family demographics, and there's basically a wait list for these vouchers. Now, the best way to explain this is different than a housing project per se, because an individual family obtains this voucher. Now what they do is wherever this family goes, they bring this voucher, and the voucher is for, say, $500 a month, $1,000 a month, whatever it is, and the landlord can choose whether or not they want to accept this voucher. Now, I have numerous properties that we do accept housing choice vouchers. And what this does is it allows for people in lower income situations to still live in nicer, better areas of town. Now, it's very effective because what it does is it protects the landlord and it protects the tenant. Now, how does it do that? Well, there are yearly inspections of the property done by HUD in that city to make sure that the property isn't falling apart, the roof isn't caving in, the walls aren't falling down. Families in the 21st century have everything that they need to live, so to make sure it's not a total dump. So it's gonna hold you accountable, which is good because you don't wanna be a slumlord. How is it effective for you? On-time payments every single month. You don't have to worry about late payments. You don't have to worry about tenants destroying your property, right? If a tenant destroys your property on the Housing Choice Voucher Program, they lose their voucher forever, right? If they have drugs inside, HUD does a great job of random inspections. They let you know, they don't always let the tenant know. It's a way for them to kind of gauge what's going on at the property. That protects you. That's good for you. That's good for the tenant. You're both protected. HUD does a great job of that. The fair market rents that HUD offers are fantastic. They really are good. So really the Housing Choice Voucher Program is a fantastic opportunity for tenants finding places to live who are able to get vouchers. But it's also great for you, for the investor. Another great thing about the Housing Choice Voucher is as we continue this real estate boom, property values going through the roof, things are crazy out there. So the need for affordable housing now is greater than it's ever been. So in order to stay up with that demand in housing, HUD has to make these rents, pretty eye-catching to investors. So they're gonna keep raising those rents. Rents that are underneath HUD and the Housing Choice Voucher Program are gonna continue to climb, especially with things going on right now in the world. With COVID-19, you have eviction moratoriums that are now expanded in months in advance with the new stimulus that we just passed. So for landlords right now, it's risky getting into buy and holds. So knowing you're going to get paid every single month, knowing the tenant isn't going to destroy the property, and just having that peace of mind that your investment is safe can be somewhat priceless in these times. So don't forget to like, subscribe. We'll have a lot more cool videos coming at you. Section 8 Real Estate Investing. Let's put our money where our mouth is.